Let's start with a closer look at the fire truck that pumps the water from the fire hydrant to the fire. It's called the pumper truck. Most pumpers can carry up to 1,000 gallons of water, and they also carry hundreds of feet of fire hose. Fire is very dangerous. Firefighters must work together as a team to put out the fire as fast as they can to make sure that no one gets hurt. When a pumper truck arrives at a fire, the driver needs to park the truck close to a fire hydrant. A fire hydrant is where the firefighter can attach a big hose to get the water to put out the fire. It can take up to 4 firefighters to handle a large fire hose. The pumper truck pumps the water from the fire hydrant through the hose to put out the fire. It's very hot and smoky in a house that's on fire. Firefighters need to wear a mask over their face to breathe fresh air from a tank on their backs. The mask also protects a firefighter's face from the heat.
Limited highway responding. Bob, what do you got up there? Just whenever chance, just advise that you have it, that you didn't drive on the way.
Some pumper trucks might look a little different, but they all do the same important job. They get the water to the fire to put it out.
Negative K, nothing further, just take care of me in the corner.
The driver of the fire truck, or the captain, is always in touch with the firehouse by radio, so they know what to expect when they arrive at the fire. It's important to always get out of the way when you hear loud sirens or see the flashing lights of a rescue vehicle, whether you're on foot or riding in a car. The trucks go fast because they're on their way to save someone, and it's an emergency. Firefighters need to practice with their equipment often to make sure it works properly in case there's a fire. This is called a monitor. A monitor helps the firefighter shoot the water farther to put out a big fire.